What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Davo coming to y'all with another YouTube video, man. And today I got a different video for y'all, man. I got a little how-to for y'all boys, so make sure that y'all hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. I ain't did a video like this in a minute since I did my intake, I don't think. But today we under the hood, boys. So if you haven't yet, make sure that you hit that subscribe button and turn on post notifications, y'all. Got my 2023 baby out. Last car, and y'all, I haven't uploaded in like 5 days because my license, bro. I lost my whole wallet. But today I got two things off Amazon. Then I got this. Shout out to JNL, but we gonna talk about that in a minute. I got this coolant intake, little carbon fiber to go over the little coolant tank. Then I got another, I forgot what this is, but I think this is like to go over here by the windshield, like by all of this, like cover, whatever. But y'all get it. We just gonna put both of these to the side. I just wanted to show y'all those. Cause I'm gonna put those on also. And I might do a little POV for y'all boys. Never know, man. Never know. If y'all boys haven't yet, hit that subscribe button and smash that like button, man. I drop consistent bangers. And if y'all haven't checked, go over and follow me on Instagram, man. I drop behind the scenes content. Now let's get into the video. But all you will need, I don't even read directions, y'all. Like, I just go with the flow. I ain't gonna lie to you. But all you would need is a little wrench, man. This is everything that it comes with. A little ghetto review. I'm gonna set y'all boys up too so y'all can see. A little screwdriver. I already got, bro, I had this thing for like, man, probably like 2 months, but I just had a whole bunch of crap going on. Let me grab the screws real quick. Hold up, y'all. All right, you guys. So it's a whole different day because something had came up. But I got these two fasteners, man. They actually came with some fasteners, but, bro, I lost both of them, so. But their customer service was amazing. Like, I told them that I lost them, and they told me, like, some warranty stuff and that they'll send it back. But they gave me the measurements and told me, like, basically that it'll be quicker if I just go and grab it myself. So I just grabbed it. These was only, like, 59 cents each, so that was like nothing better than them shipping them. But then the two screws that go at the top, right there, got the bracket. So let's just get into the install, y'all. First off, just make sure that everything's in the package. So just thread this joint on the mounting point. Alright, so now that we got that, so y'all see the mounting point, I'm gonna set y'all up now. Alright, so y'all should be able to see good. Great. So once you do that, make sure that the little flange is pointed like outwards. The flange as in, hold on, let me show you, because I should have showed y'all, but like the flange, make sure that it's just like that. Pointed outwards. We just go tighten this up. Nothing too crazy, but tight enough. So now that we did that, grab the bracket. I'm gonna put the link to all of this stuff in the description. Alright. Then make sure that this bolt is just like that, going on just like that. The flange pointed inwards. Screw it on. I'm gonna try to show y'all like everything that I do on this car from like inside, like, cause I'm gonna get like the stars and all that soon. I just haven't came across it yet. But I'm gonna get those soon. Like, I got a lot coming. So I'm gonna try to show y'all like everything step by step on this car. Just make sure the bracket is standing up straight. Alright, so now that we got the bracket up, let me show y'all the little oil separator. If y'all don't know what this is, this catches like the gunk and like the blow by. Show you real quick. The little filter. Just to show y'all a little something. How to unscrew it, whatever. Not rocket science. Kind of missed a step, but it's cool. We can still do it. You just go pull this up. Then we just go release this. release the bottom. Should have probably been did this, so this ain't in the way, but you can still do it. Not the end of the world. So I got that out. Y'all might want to do that. Like, you can see a little gunk up in it. Yeah, it just catches all of that. And I'm getting oil and all that on me. It's cool though. You just go put this on the ground. So I don't want to put it on my car, get that damn oil. Let me get a little napkin. Got some damn oil on my hand. Should've worked up. First thing I saw was a receipt, so we just go wipe my hands off with this receipt. Get the screws ready. Make sure everything is lined up good. The long piece is gonna go under and come to the top. Then the short piece, hold up, show y'all in a minute, but the short piece just goes like this in the back. Let's mount this up. Just so everything ain't moving around. And y'all, man, my fault that I did not, hold up, y'all. Trying to screw these down, but bro, my fault that I did not post in like 5 days, man. Going on 6 days, because bro, I lost my wallet, so I couldn't even drive this joint. I lost my wallet downtown, y'all, man. It's like somebody had to pick it up, but I just canceled all my cars, man. Long story, but it's cool though, y'all. This thing is gonna go like that. Push that in. Then this. Ooh, do it like that. That is in. And it's done that quick, y'all. Literally that quick. Like, this is like one of the most quickest mods, honestly. Like, under the hood mods. We just go put this back on. Make sure all that. Really, you don't even got to take off this, but I just did it because my hand's kind of big. But this thing is on. Make sure that it ain't going nowhere. Make sure that them things are secured. But I did this myself. I did this. Like, really, I be doing like everything by myself. I just don't play with wiring. Like this, I had somebody do this for my LED joint, but my car not on, so it's not gonna turn on. But so on to the next, on to the next. All right, so now we got this little coolant joint, this coolant cover from Amazon. Shout out Amazon. Little carbon fiber. Nothing too crazy. I'm not even sure if it's even real carbon fiber. I don't really care though, honestly. It's just going over the coolant tank to make it look more like stealthy. Because if y'all don't know, these coolant tanks be looking ugly. Open this thing up, man. Make sure that you don't open this thing up hot, bro. That crap would shoot out on you. But right now, I'm just like trying to see how I'm gonna even do it. Oh yeah, I'm just most likely do it just like that. Before I start removing like the stickies. And make sure that y'all clean this off. I already cleaned mine off, so it's not dirty. But make sure y'all just clean that crap off. Go remove the stickies. And I'll be back at y'all when these stickies are off. 5 hours later, we finally got it off, man. Got all of the stickies off. Now let's slap it on. The fit not too bad. Make sure that mug is on, but once this on, like this go honestly hold it down. Just make sure that it's tight all the time, y'all. Make sure when it's hot, do not pull this joint off, because it will splash. Like, bro, I done seen that a lot of times. I'm gonna wipe that off in a minute, but I got my little chicken fingers all on it. But it look better. It look way better. Ooh. So that is out the way. Make sure that y'all clean up behind yourselves, man. Don't litter. Kids don't litter. And let me know if y'all like videos like this, man. Me just showing y'all like the little stuff that I add to my car. Just let me know. I'm gonna do a POV in this video too, probably. We just gonna have to see about that one, depending on how long that this video gonna be. All right, y'all, so I don't know if this gonna be able to fix. I got all of this crap by it, but for this, you're just gonna have to pull up both of these. It's a tab right here and the tab right here. You're just gonna have to pull it up. Then pull up this. Just gonna keep on fighting with this. Finally got it out. These pieces give you hell. You don't know how this is about to work with all these wires that I got right here. Alright, y'all, so now that I got that in, it's not really flawless because I got all this crap that's around it, but it's good for right now. If I decide not to have it on, then I'm gonna just take it off. Like, if it gets to the point where it's like irritating having it, then I'll take it off, but as of right now, it's good enough, y'all. Let me know how the engine bay looking right now. Let me know that both of those make it look even better. I'm tuning it real soon. Well, not real soon, but I'm gonna tune it. Get a green belt, probably a upper pulley, lower pulley. I got a lot coming for this car, man. Cause I don't know why people keep saying like this is not the red eye jailbreak, y'all. This is just the regular jailbreak. 2023 Hellcat jailbreak. But bro, the red eye jailbreaks, like the main reason I did not get the red eye jailbreak was because like the $25,000 markups. Like bro, I was not paying that. Even though I got it, man, I'm not paying that because bro, like you could literally put, like I'm probably stretching, but like $6,000 to $10,000, probably even less, and make it faster than 807. That's what a lot of people don't understand, but it is what it is. You get what you pay for. Get your bragging rights, but when I tune it, like honestly, y'all, like I say all the time, like I don't want to go too crazy on it, but honestly, like I was planning on going maybe like 850-ish, maybe 900, depending on, but like I just wasn't trying to take off my cats, like I say all the time to y'all. I really wasn't trying to take off my cats, and I'm really not trying to go E85. Like, I can make the fastest a fucking 1,200 horsepower fucking car, but it's just like, bro, I'm not doing all that. But yeah, y'all, let me know how the engine bay look. And I might put a POV in this joint, but if I don't, peace, y'all. It's been your boy, Davo. Make sure that y'all hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and I'm out, y'all. Peace. Park the AMG in handicap and hop out this bitch like a zombie. If I put my Dior case down on the pedal, we be flying. If I told you what I made the other day, you say I'm lying. Niggas mad and broke, but I ain't never see these niggas trying. You can't do the shit I do, a nigga, you ain't verified.